Mastering the perfect espresso with your Oracle or Impress series Breville espresso machine requires freshly roasted beans and some trial and error. Always use beans between 5 to 30 days after roast for optimal flavor. Freshness will affect grind size and extraction. Grind size and dose amount are the key variables for an ideal extraction. Grind size refers to the setting you choose when grinding your beans. Dose amount refers to the amount of coffee grounds in your portafilter. While your machine may differ from this one, the fundamentals are the same. Start with the factory dose and grind settings to begin. The Oracle and Impress models are pre-programmed with an optimal dose of 18 to 22 grams. If using an Impress machine and your dose is not within the optimal range, your machine will guide you in making adjustments to auto-increase the dose amount using the "a bit more" function. To decrease the amount, use the Razor Precision Dose Trimming tool. The machine will automatically adjust the dose for the next extraction. Once you have automatically ground and tamped or assisted tamped your coffee, pull a double shot by selecting the 2-cup button or icon, depending on your machine model. Let's break down the ideal extraction and what happens when it's too slow or too fast. First, the ideal extraction. Watch the extraction speed. An ideal extraction drops from the spouts of the portafilter at the 8 to 12 second mark and continues until around 30 seconds. Now, what happens if it's too fast? If the espresso drops before 8 seconds, and your extraction duration is less than 25 seconds, you need to adjust the grind size finer. Fast-flowing shots completing in less than 25 seconds are under-extracted and will generally taste weak, sour, grassy, and will have a thin mouthfeel. And if it's too slow, if the espresso drops after around 12 seconds and takes longer than 30 seconds to complete, you need to adjust the grind size coarser. Slow-flowing shots are over-extracted and will generally taste astringent, bitter, and will have a thin mouthfeel. When you adjust the grind size, as a general guide, use increments of 2. As you get closer to the espresso dropping from the spouts at the 8 to 12 second mark, make smaller grind size adjustments. From here, tweak and observe. Remember, if it's too fast, adjust the grind size finer, and if it's too slow, adjust the grind size coarser. As coffee ages, you will notice that the espresso drops from the spouts earlier than your previous shots, and when it drops before 8 seconds, you will need to adjust your grind finer. Keep an eye on this to ensure you are experiencing the best possible flavors every time. With a little trial and error, mastering espresso extractions for better flavor balance will become second nature.